guys, it's me Courtney and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be recreating a look that my kids did for me. They have been asking me over and over and over again to be in one of my YouTube videos. And because I'm kind of an overprotective mom, I had to figure out a way to do it where they were in it but not really in it. So basically what I did is had them come into my makeup collection, sort of look around. They picked out what they wanted to use, and then I recorded them doing a look for me. So after they got done, I came in here to recreate the look that they did. And it's the funniest thing because literally I just did like a neon video look, and I feel like this is kind of similar to it because they literally picked out the same palettes, the same eyeliner, the same like everything. Well, not everything, mostly. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get into the video. My son chose the Becca First Light Priming Filter. This is like a dewy primer, so whatever foundation you use is gonna make it a little bit more luminous. Next, we're going in with my Dior Face and Body Foundation. This is literally one of my favorite like skin-like foundation. It gives good coverage, but it's so lightweight. For concealer, my daughter chose the Kat Von D Lock It Concealer Cream. I actually haven't used this concealer in a while, but it does have a nice blendable coverage, if that helps. Although the color is slightly off, it is still workable as well. We're also going in with Patrick's powder from MAC. Honestly, this isn't my favorite powder. I think it's one of those products that was kind of like overhyped, and I kind of bought into it, but really the powder's just okay. Next, my son chose the Urban Decay Brow Blade, which I'm pretty sure he chose because of the color. But Lord knows he tried with the brows. For contour, we're using Huda Beauty Tantour Cream. I'm gonna dip my beauty blender into it and apply it to the contours of my cheeks. My son chose to use a brush, which is doable as well. As a side note, sometimes if I bring my contour down too far, I'll take my beauty blender with foundation and pat out the edges just to make it blend a little bit better. For bronzer, my daughter chose the Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil, probably because of the chocolate scent. Skipping forward to the eyes, I'm using the Neon Orange palette from Huda, chosen by my daughter as well. She literally chose the exact same colors that I used in my last neon look. So for the first color, I'm using this bright fuchsia and placing that into my crease. I'm gonna full on saturate this color into my crease. Next, I'm taking this pinky peach color and blowing that out above the crease, blending it into the fuchsia shade as well. She also chose the Colourpop Glitterally Obsessed Pigment in Dream About Me, which is like a golden green orangey pink glitter. And I'm gonna place it in the center of my lid, almost like a cut crease, but I'm not bringing it to my lash line just to prevent any glitter getting into my eyes. But I am gonna drag the color to fill the rest of the lid out. And my son chose the Fenty liner in Banana Blaze, unfortunately. I'm going to trace right above where the glitter starts, stopping halfway through. Now, I definitely messed up my other eyes, so just ignore that. I tried to fix it later. But to finish the eyes, I'm going back into the fuchsia color with a pencil brush and placing that on my lower lash line, connecting it to the outer edge top. I'm also going back into that peach color with a thin brush and buffing out the edges of that fuchsia color. Now I'm taking my NYX glitter glue and patting that on my inner corner and a little on my lower lash line. Then taking this glittery orange at the top and putting that on top of the glitter glue. For some reason, my camera didn't record me putting the green liner in my waterline, but that'll be in the description box below. After that, I added the Beauty Bakery mascara my daughter chose. And then we added the Cake Face Millionaire lashes my son chose. Next, we're going to use this blush from Colourpop. It is a Super Shock blush, so definitely use a synthetic brush. I like to start my blush at my hairline and then kind of drag it forward so the bulk of the color is higher, which sort of lifts the face a little bit. For highlighter, my daughter chose La Peach from Artist Couture and Jackie Aina. I love the fact that she lathered it on. You know, she's learning early and I'm here for it. I'm gonna use my Cover FX setting spray, which tends to be on the dewy side, and drench my face much like my son did. For lips, my daughter chose a red and a bright pink lipstick. So I lined my lips with the red and blended the pink in the middle. Alright guys, and this was the final look. All in all, I think it's a really fun look. Hopefully this was a fun video for you guys. If so, please give me a thumbs up. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video if the mood suits you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Alright, you ready? Okay, say bye-bye.